discolored teeth, dark circles under your eyes, wrinkly skin, skin stains, and yellow nails. Is this what you want people to notice when they look at you? If you're a smoker, this is what they see. According to a 2008 study, 23.5% of men and 20.6% of women are smokers. Today I'm going to tell you what exactly is in a cigarette, what some harms of smoking are, and who smoking hurts, because it isn't just you. Hopefully this will be all you need to hear to persuade you to stop smoking or never to start. Battery acid, lighter fluid, insecticide, toilet cleaner, candle wax, rocket fuel, paint, vinegar, and sewer gas are just a few of the things you are ingesting every time you smoke just one cigarette. Cigarette also contains nicotine. Nicotine is a colorless, oily, highly toxic liquid alkaloid found in tobacco. Nicotine is also a very valued insecticide. This bug killer plays the role in becoming addicted to cigarettes. There are over 4,000 chemicals in tobacco smoke, and at least 69 of these chemicals are known to cause cancer. You can see the diagram back here with lots more of the chemicals in a cigarette. Smoking leads to numerous health risks. Men who smoke are 23 times more likely to get lung cancer, and women are 13 times more likely. 90% of lung cancer rates in men are caused by smoking, and 80% in women. Even though lung cancer is the leading cause of death for men and women, other cancers can come from smoking as well, such as cancer of the larynx, the oral cavity, the pharynx, the esophagus, and the bladder. Smoking also increases the risk of getting pancreatic cancer, kidney cancer, bladder, and cervical cancer. Studies show that it is estimated that reductions in smoking could prevent 30,200 cases of oral and pharyngeal cancers and 7,800 deaths. Reductions could also reduce 12,300 new cases and 12,100 deaths from esophageal cancer. Is it really worth it? Smoking doesn't only hurt you, though. Secondhand smoke is responsible for an estimated 46,000 deaths from heart disease in non-smokers who live with smokers, and about 3,400 lung cancer deaths in non-smoking adults. People exposed to secondhand smoke on a regular basis can also suffer from severe coughing, mucus, chest discomfort, and reduced lung function. 50,000 to 300,000 children under the age of 18 months have suffered from lung infections such as pneumonia and bronchitis from secondhand smoke, leading to 7,500 to 15,000 hospitalizations. If a woman smokes while she's pregnant, the baby can be born with a nicotine addiction, among many other severe health issues. Next time you go to light up that cancer stick, think about all that you're holding in that little piece of paper. Think of the long-term effects it will have on your body, and think about how it will affect the people around you. You may be okay with what it'll do to you, but everyone around you that it is harming as well may not be okay with it. So have some respect. On this board back here, you'll see a baby that her mom smoked while she was pregnant with her. The baby was born prematurely with severe weight issues and may not make it. Premature aging comes from smoking, as you can see in this picture. Smoking kills around 443,000 Americans each year. That is the leading death in more than anything else. All of these are pictures of different kinds of cancers that you get from smoking, and that's what a smoker's lung looks like. So you can see why it's hard and difficult for people that smoke to breathe. I hope you take a minute to look at these before you light up your next cigarette, and think about those around you and think about you, because it's really not worth it. Thank you.